hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to Mr. Donnie. This video is a simple practice which you can do as an IELTS listening exam preparation. As we all know, there are 4 sections in the IELTS listening, with 40 questions in total. In section 1, you will hear a telephone conversation between 2 people. There will be the caller and the receiver. The receiver is usually an Englishman, and the caller is usually a university student, which may come from anywhere in the world, such as Asia, Africa, South America, and so on. And the questions that is usually asked are questions that are related to personal information, like names, address, telephone number, etc. This practice is a name spelling practice where I will be giving you 10 names, 5 British names and 5 non-British names. I would like for you to get one piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. Then write down number 1 to 10 on your piece of paper. I will read the names first, then followed with the spelling. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Clementine Barnes. Clementine space Barnes. Number 2. Ella Persephone. ELLA space PERSEPHONE. Number 3. Rupert Thor Hastings. RUPERT space THOR space HASTINGS. Number 4. Wilfred Otto. WILFRED space OTTO. Number 5. Beatrix Waterhouse. BEATRIX space WATERHOUSE. Number 6. Akinyi Ebo. AKINYI space EBOH. Number 7. Chan Ming. CHAN space MING. Number 8. Alessandra Bianchi. ALEXANDRA double SANDRA space BIANCHI. Number 9. Santiago Velasquez. SANTIAGO space VELAS. I repeat, VELAZQUEZ. The last number, number 10. Park Ji-sung. PARK space JISUNG. I'm now about to show you the answers. You will need to pause the video to read them properly. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions or you want to make any request, just write down below in the comment section. This is Mr. Donnie signing off. Bye-bye.